how to create a feed line and also how to create inset for this rectangular patch. First, we are going to create a feed line for this patch, rectangular patch. To do this, I'm going to use a local coordinate system. Select the top face of the substrate and press W on your keyboard. This brings the local coordinate system to the top of the substrate. And then you can select the middle point of the top edge of the substrate and press W. This brings the local coordinate system to the position where it is now. Then press component so you can see all the objects in the window. Then you go for creating a brick. Select the point, center point here, and then select the middle point of the below edge of the patch like this. Then it will ask for the width of the line. You can press tab and enter the value here. You can also enter a variable W_L. You can see that I have created this W_L already, which is 1.5, and for the height you can select the top point of the patch. Then you can name this as feed line, and then you can also enter a component feed network, and then this is PEC. So now we have created the feed line here. Next is we have to create the inset. Before that, I come to this value. The width of the line is 1.5 from this macro. Macros, calculate analytical line impedance. You can use thin microstrip. Then you can use this to calculate the width of the line such that it gives 50 ohms. So I did this. I came to this value 1.5 from that. Now to create insets, you have to bring this local coordinate system to the point here first. I select this point and then press W. This brings it to the point here. Usually the inset width, I take the width of the inset as the width of the line. You can also do it indifferently, but for that you have to select different value. For what I'm doing right now, so I have to move this to a point in the center. So I transform this local coordinate system along du by W_L divided by 2. So I bring this point here. Now I create the inset. So I create another brick now, and then I choose this point again, and then now it see that it's moving up. I can press tab now. So U is 0 and V is, again I can give a variable. I can enter this as offset. You see that I have already entered this value here. Offset created a variable. Offset is equal to 0.68 here. So this, if you have already not entered it, it will ask for the value. You can enter it. Click OK. Now it's asked for the width. I can choose this up to this point. Select point P, and then you just click it. Now it will ask for the height. For the height, we can again choose the top, any top point on the patch. Click it, and then this is we can choose it as vacuum. You can leave it as solid 1, or you can just say offset 1, something here. Preview. Okay. Then it will say this interacting with some other object. You can choose none. Now I have this under the feed network, so it's offset. So it's now we have created this one. So we have to create one more on the other side. To do this, I have to transform this. Let's see how much we have to transform. We can also use to select points. I choose this point here, and then I choose a point here. Okay. Now I right click on this, or I can also select this here, and then right click, transform. So this already transforms. You can see the preview here. So you need one more copy actually. So you press copy here, preview. Okay. Then you again click none to all. So now we have created 2 offsets as vacuum. Now you have to subtract this from the rectangular patch. To do this, select the patch first, double click on this, and then go to the Boolean operation here. Select substrate, and then press and select both the objects we need to delete, and then press enter. So now we got this position where we created a patch with insets. Um, let's stop this video here because the size will be increased. The next step I will show you in the next video. Thank you for listening.